Many species of ferns are tropical in origin and are at home in the greenhouse or in an apartment. These plants do not require excessive lighting, so they can find a place even in dark places where other plants would suffer for the lack of light. Typically, ferns are not very large, so you can grow them in containers that are not too capacious, always remembering to pot them as soon as the roots start to spread to the outside of the drain holes of the pot. Then you should repot your ferns using soft and rich soil and transferring them to vessels that are not overly large, but only 1 or 2 centimeters in diameter wider than the container in which they were planted before. Although some ferns can withstand short periods of drought, it is best to water them with great regularity, avoiding leaving the soil dry for too long. Avoid growing ferns in a substrate that is always soaked with water, but try and ensure that it is always damp. Stagnant water favours the occurrence of root rot, so if after watering there is water remaining in the saucer, you should throw it away. In order to facilitate the proper development of your plants, every 10 to 15 days you should add specific fertilizer for green plants to the irrigating water. But every day you should spray the foliage of ferns to increase the ambient humidity. Periodically use very clean, sharp scissors to cut away any foliage that is damaged, darkened or broken, cutting it at ground level. If you want to get new plants from your ferns, simply divide the clumps that they are made from, keeping a good portion of the root system for each part removed from the clump, and repotting every little clump in an individual container.